How to fix verification required issue on the App Store. Let's get started. First up, launch your Settings app. At the very top, you're going to find your Apple ID. Click on that. Now navigate to the option Payment and Shipping. Authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID. Tap Add Payment Method or update the current one. Add a valid debit card, PayPal or Apple account balance. Remove outdated declined cards by swiping left and tapping Delete. Next, pay any outstanding balance. For that, head back. Navigate to the option Media and Purchases. Click on the option View Account. Tap Purchase History. If you see pending charges, pay them by updating your payment info. Next up, head back and navigate to the option Payment and Shipping. Click on Edit. Choose None as your payment method, only if there are no unpaid purchases. Lastly, what you want to do is sign out and sign back into your Apple ID. So head back, scroll down and click on the option Sign Out. Wait for a few minutes and again sign in back with your Apple ID. And that's it. Following these steps, you'll be good to go. Your verification required on App Store issue will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.